Hi designers, congratulations on becoming part of our Pro-Desygner crew. If you're new to Designer Pro Plus and you want to learn more, this video is all for you. We're going to show you how easy it is to create awesome designs for your next project. With Pro Plus, you're going to have access to thousands of premium templates, millions of high-quality stock images, unlimited background remover, and you'll be able to create awesome animations that will pop and come alive instantly. And you'll be able to resize any designs automatically with just one click and import unlimited PDF files to make your documents fully editable, and so much more. Are you ready? Let's start by logging into your Designer Pro Plus account and let's explore the Templates tab. What we have here is thousands of professional templates the Designer Pro Plus has to offer. If we go to the menu on the left, you're going to see a for print category and the for web category, where you will find lots of different templates that you need. Under the for print category, you'll find printable templates that you can customize and print however you like. Things like flyers, posters, and business cards. Next is the for web category, where you can find all the templates for your social media needs, things like presentations, web banners, and logos. Before we see how to customize a template, let's take a quick look at the Images tab and the Assets tab. Under the Images tab, we can see that there is a search bar. What we can do is to simply enter any keyword to start searching for images. Let's say you own a pizza restaurant and you need some pizza photos for your designs. So what you're going to do is to type the pizza keyword in the search bar and hit enter. Here you can see we have thousands of pizza images. How cool is that? So I'm going to go through now and I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to add these to my assets. And so you can use these later in your designs. Or you can also review these photos easily by going into the Assets tab. Let's show you how to do this now. So under the Assets tab, here you can see it's all set up with the brand assets. This is where all of the pizza photos that you selected previously are stored. You can rename them, organize them into folders, or upload your own images here. Let's see Colors and Fonts tab. We already added our color palette here. Do you want to add more than one color palette? No problem. You can click here to add as many as you need. And you can also add some fonts here by searching for the premium font library, or you can upload your own. Additionally, you can also set up your default text blocks, logos, elements, videos, or other files. So far, we've covered how to search for templates, images, and we've set up your first asset library. Now we will take you through the next step, and that's how to use the Designer Editor. Let's go back to the Templates tab. Browse and select a social post template for your pizza restaurant. Now, a template for your Instagram post, for example. Let's choose this one. Firstly, you can replace these colors with the ones that we added in the Assets library earlier. Then you can change the text to New Pizza Menu and change the font to a bolder one. Okay, now let's change the image in our template. You will use these images in your asset library, and if you want to search for more images, you can do that. Let's show you how. You can do it from here. Then you can simply add your image and remove the background by clicking on the Remove Image Background icon. Now your design is done. Let's animate it. All you need to do is click on this animation button on the left menu and choose an animation effect. If you want to learn more about how to animate a social post, click on the link here. Once the editing is done, you can save your design. Choose the editor and go to My Designs tab, where you can see all your designs that you've created from the beginning with Designer. If you want to share or invite people to collaborate on any of your designs, all you have to do is click on the Manage Users icon, and you can enter your team member's email address here to send them invitations. This is really valuable, not only to share or invite, but it allows all your team members to all have access to Pro Plus benefits just like you do, and at no extra cost. If you're stuck with a PDF and want to edit it, we've got you covered. Designer's PDF editor is one of the most powerful PDF editors on the market. You can upload unlimited PDFs and make them fully editable. Just click on this link to check out the tutorial. Congratulations on becoming part of our Pro-Designer crew. We're so happy to have you on board. If you have any questions or suggestions for our next video, let us know by leaving a comment below or follow us on our social media channels for all the latest news and tips. And you can also click on the subscribe button for more tutorials like this. Happy designing!